Okay, this is Debbie with the Fancy Stamper. I'm going to do a quick 5-minute Friday video showing you a nice, cute little fun way we can use this stamp set called Snowman Season. And the stamp that we're going to be using out of these images is going to be this guy down here. So I was playing around with this stamp set. I wanted to make a trifold, or not a trifold, but just a fun fold for a simple card to send somebody. It's not supposed to be a Christmas card, even though I know it looks like a Christmas card, but I was gonna put a different sentiment down here. I just haven't done it yet. I was thinking of, you know, this other guy's kind of juggling, so I was thinking of something like "you did it" or "you can do it," something like that. But anyhow, you can see I didn't end up with my sentiments yet, but I'm gonna do a little modified version of this one, and that's what I'm gonna show you. And so we fold it at the 4-inch mark and then give it a good crease. And then this part right here, you just fold it back like this. You can use your scoring tool if you want to. You don't have to. So remember, on this paper, this is one of the specialty designer papers, so it is kind of nubby and it has all this little glimmer and stuff. It's really pretty. I really like this one. And for this one, I am going to use these cutout pieces. I had some pieces of Coastal Cabana that I already run through the die machine. I used one of the bigger scalloped ovals. So this is, I think, the second from the largest. And then I had one of the stitched shape ovals. And then I had just a regular oval as well. So I'm going to use this one for the inside. Little snowman guy here, the one that looks like he's sort of juggling. And for this one, I'm gonna use that cute little sentiment I was telling you about. Like "you can do it" or "you did it" or something. I forgot. I'm gonna show it to you right now so you can see it. So that's gonna go down here at the bottom. And then the little sentiment, which I will give a little test. Oh, it says "you did it." It says "you did it." Put that up there. All right, so that's all I'm going to do to that. And I will adhere this to this one. And this is going to go on the front. So before I do put it on the front though, I'm just going to use a couple of my Stampin' Blends to, I'm going to get this little carrot colored in, and I'm gonna color in his feet a little bit, maybe the buttons. I want it along this side only, so I'm only gonna put glue or glue strips or whatever I have on one part of it. And then the other piece is just going to go on the inside. Now the reason I'm using this tear tape is because of all these little glimmer pieces and stuff. I'm thinking that if it's just dimensionals or something like that, it probably won't stick as well. Glue dots would work really well because glue dots always work on stuff like this. But let's see, I'm going to put this one right about here in the middle. And then this other one is going to go on the inside, and this one, I will put a couple glue dots because I know glue dots stick to anything. Anything and everything. Glue dots are awesome. That's why they're my backup glue, because if you're not sure if it's gonna stick, just pull out a glue dot and then it will stick. So that's gonna go right about here on the inside, just so you can write on there. And when you close it, make sure. And that's basically it. We did enough coloring so that it's still cute. I do have some Wink of Stella, so, you know, as always, especially on something like this, with the little snowman, he's glistening and stuff, you can put some Wink of Stella on there, brighten it up a little bit. Other one I did, I'll show you that one again. That one I put some additional embellishments on. I used this little punch that came in one of our little kits that we have in our new holiday catalog. So I did that, and I just punched out with the silver foil, and I used some of our little brads that we have to stick those on there. So that cap came out kind of cute. And then on the inside of this one, I just put, you know, another one of our, this is one of our nested label dies. So that's it. That's my 5-minute video. I hope you guys like it. I'm gonna run it through my little machine here to make sure that I don't need to edit it. But again, this is a great little stamp set, Snowman season, and that paper that we have is awesome. So check it out. This is Let It Snow, and I hope you like it. All right, see you later. Bye.